Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. This is the eighth question of the paper, and as you can see, this is a partial fraction question. So, looking at the denominator, because of the x square, I can determine my form to be a over x plus b over x square plus c over x plus 2. Agreed? So now I can write this basically as x square plus x plus 6 equals to, what I can simply do is I can take the LCM and write it as a into x plus 2 plus b into, okay, x plus 2 plus c into basically x square. Now as you can see, here I have nothing in common, okay. So it will be smart if I just expand directly because I even have a quadratic in this side. So I can write this as x square plus x plus 6 equals to a into x plus 2 is basically x square plus 2x plus bx plus 2b plus cx square. So I can write this as x square plus x plus 6 equals to ax square, plus 2ax plus bx plus 2b plus cx square. Now I'll keep all the x square, x's and constants together to write this as ax square plus cx square, okay, plus 2a x plus bx plus 2b. Agreed? This is what I can simply do. So now what I know is I can write this as x square plus x plus 6 equals to, I can take a plus b here, okay, and I can take x square common plus 2a plus b here and x common plus 2b here. Agreed? Sorry, this is not b, this is c, my bad. Okay, so now what I can do is I can compare the coefficient of x square here is 1, which is equal to the coefficient of x square here, which is a plus c. Similarly, the coefficient of x here is 1, which is equal to the coefficient of x here, which is 2a plus b. And here my constant is 2b and my constant here is 6. So here I can find that my b is simply 3 because of 6 over 2. So I can write this as 1 equals to 2a plus 3, which is equal to 2a equals to 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is simply minus 2, which gives me my a as minus 1. Now I can write this as 1 equals to minus 1 plus c, where c equals to 1 plus 1 and c equals to 2. So now what I can simply do is I can write this as minus 1 over x, okay, plus 3 over x square, okay, plus c over x plus 2. Okay, so this is basically I've written in the partial fraction form. Got it? Now, yes, so this is the second part of the question. So what we need to do basically here is, we know f of x is basically this, which can be written in this form. Basically, when I take x square here in the numerator, I get x raised to minus 2. That's the only thing which is different. Now let's start the process of integration. Okay, so now the integration of minus 1 over x, first I always tell you this is basically that this has ln x, but now there's the numerator of minus 1 over 1, which is the coefficient of x, plus you can write this as 3x raised to minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 over minus 1 plus 2 over x plus 2 will be first ln x plus 2 with the 2 over 1, which is the coefficient of x, with basically the limits 1 and 4. Okay, so now I can simply write this as minus ln x minus, this is minus 3 over x plus 2 ln x plus 2 with the limits 1 and 4. Now first put the upper limit in the place of x. So I get this as minus ln 4 minus 3 over 4 plus 2 ln 6, because 4 plus 2 is 6, minus, okay, minus ln 1, okay, minus 3 over 4 plus 2 ln 3. Agreed? So now what I can do is I can simply write this as, I know one very important log property which states that b log a can be written as log a raised to b. So using this property, I can basically just write this as minus, or I can write this as ln 6 square, which is ln 36, minus ln 4 minus 3 over 4 minus, I know ln 1 is 0. So I have 0 minus 3 over 4 plus ln 9. Okay. Now what I can simply do is, another log property which is important I know is that log a minus log b can basically be written as log a over b. So what I can do is I can simply now write this as ln 36 over 9 over 4, which gives me ln 9, minus 3 over 4 plus 3 over 4, because when the minus goes inside, minus ln 9. Agreed? Got it? So now let me just check if what we've done is correct till now. Okay, so a small error we've done. This is not 3 over 4, this is only 3 over 1, which is basically 3 over 1 here. Okay, and yeah, everything else is, I think, perfect. This is 3 over 1, which is basically 3. Now I can cancel ln 9 to basically get 3 minus 3 over 4. Now I can simply solve this on my calci. 3 minus 3 over 4 basically is 9 over 4, which is the final answer of my question. So sorry for the small error here, okay, of the 1. Sorry.